7 individuals said to be cohorts of Alice Guo in the Pogo Hub in Tarlac have surrendered to authorities after a Pasig court issued warrants for their arrest. Some said they were merely used and made to sign documents. Laila Pangilinan has the details.
They are the 7 among the co-accused of dismissed Banban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo in her qualified human trafficking case. The NBI will be presenting them before the Pasig City Regional Trial Court, which issued their warrants of arrest.
Sila ang lumalabas na mga responsible dun sa Hongsheng Incorporators at saka sa Sun Yuan Incorporators. Lahat ito ay mga masasabi natin na bogus corporation ni Alice Guo.
5 of them surrendered to NBI Central Luzon, while the 2 others surrendered to Task Force Bamban. Among them is Jamilyn Santos Cruz, president of the Pogo Hub Sun Yuan Technology in Bamban. She insists her company is not illegal, or at least it wasn't when she was still handling the papers.
Ang investment na po ito nung inalok po sa akin ay online gaming. For online gaming, opo. Ngayon po, nung ako po ay pumasok na dito, ito po ay legal because I myself go to PAGCOR and meet the officials of OGLD, Offshore Gaming License Department. So there's no way na sabihin na kami po ay bogus or ako ay bogus.
Apart from Santos Cruz, the others who surrendered were Rachel Carrion, Roderick Pujante, Juan Miguel Alpas, Rita Iturralde, Rowena Evangelista, and Thelma Laranan. Some of them claim they were merely used and that they decided to surrender in hopes of clearing their names.
Ginamit lang po kami dito po. Pinapirma po kami dito ni Jeremy Santos. Si Jeremy Santos po, asawa niya po si Patty Santos, Chief of Staff ni Mayora Alice Guo. Si Jeremy Santos, kapatid niya po to si Jamilyn Santos. Para malinis po yung pangalan po namin at takot na po kami sa seguridad po namin. Pasensya na po.
Ba't po kayo natatakot, sir? May mga bantado ba sa inyo?
Alam naman po natin na hindi po bigat, na hindi po biro yung mga taong nasa likod po nito. Baka balikan po kami. Kaya hinihiling po sana namin, sana dito na lang po muna kami po.
The NBI is just awaiting the court's commitment order to know where the 7 will be detained. It also assured their safety. The other respondents who are Chinese nationals are still at large. For News 5, Laila Pangilinan, We Are One News.